Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Del Taco green sauce. Cue the music. Alright, welcome back. Thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you're watching us on. Like I said, we're going to be making Del Taco green sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We got 4 jalapenos, 3 green chilies, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, half a tablespoon of cumin, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste. The recipe will be down in the description box. Let's go ahead and mix this up. All right, we got our mixer. I'm going to go ahead and pulse up our vegetables here real quick. I left the peppers whole, as you can see, because I want all the goodness of all of it. All right, go ahead and mix these up first. Pulverize them a little bit, get a head start. Awesome. All right, let's see what that looks good. Garlic, cumin, salt and pepper. I got about a 1/4 teaspoon of each. We're going to go throw our equivalent of 3 green chilies in there, our oil, and our apple cider vinegar. Let's pulse this up. Look at that. We got some chips. We're going to take some pictures of this and then come back and give it a taste. Don't go anywhere. Pictures. I'm going to take the sauce out there so we can get a little better look at it. I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste here. Beautiful, thick, rich. Look at that cling to the chip there. Right away, fresh jalapenos. Love them. Seeds and all. Everything in there. Got the full flavor of that pepper. You got those green chilies in there to give it some color and some other texture. This is, oh my gosh, this is good. Salt and pepper bringing out all the flavor. The vinegar balances it out. Getting a hint of that cumin. A little bit of that onion in there. Yeah, this is a good sauce. It's been a long time since I've had Del Taco. But it's a good jalapeno sauce nonetheless. Go ahead and give it a try. The recipe's down in the description box. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul